Woodford Model Y34 Iowa Yard Hydrant Repair. The tools needed for this yard hydrant repair include 2 large wrenches, locking pliers, wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by shutting off the water supply to the hydrant. Place hydrant into the open position. Loosen the set screw on the cam and clevis assembly as shown here. This will allow the rod and the handle linkage assembly to separate. Now loosen the packing nut. Using 2 large pipe wrenches, place one wrench on the head and the other wrench on the riser pipe. Begin by rotating the head counterclockwise from the pipe while holding on to the other wrench. Pull the operating pipe assembly out of the riser pipe. To remove the plunger from the rod for this yard hydrant repair, use the wrench placed on the rod and with another wrench placed on the plunger, rotate counterclockwise. Replace with a new plunger and tighten clockwise using the wrench. Next, loosen the brass rod stem by using a wrench placed on the rod and rotating pliers counterclockwise on the stem. Replace with a new rod stem and tighten clockwise using pliers. Destroy packing inside the assembly by using a flathead screwdriver, making sure all the packing is out of the head assembly. Place washer inside assembly. Then, replace new packing inside the head assembly. Finally, place the new packing nut into the head assembly and tighten clockwise. Now you're ready to reinsert the operating rod into the riser pipe. Using the wrench, tighten the head assembly clockwise back onto the riser pipe. Place the cam and clevis assembly back onto the brass rod stem and tighten clockwise the set screw. Operate the handle and check for the snap once the handle is in the close position. The snap should take place as the handle closes at approximately 2 to 3 inches apart. Turn the water back on to test the yard hydrant. Look for more how-to and informational yard hydrant repair videos coming soon to the Eagle Mountain Products Company YouTube channel.